everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to do a pour on a 14 by 14 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm actually doing a collaboration today with two amazing artists. I'll put the information for them in the description below. This is going to be our Valentine pour, and we can pretty much do whatever, but we have to have a heart in there somewhere. Got to have a heart. So I am going to do a SHMEAR, but I'm going to try to pour it in a heart shape and then kind of do some fun things all over the place. So we'll see how it works. Fingers crossed it turns out as pretty as it is in my head. The colors that I'm going to use, I have Artist Loft's white for my base. I have Liquitex Basics. This is Brilliant Purple. I have Decoart's Metallic Amethyst. Decoart's Metallic Berry. Arteza's Pearl Magenta. And Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. Alright, so I'm gonna probably put some music on because I'm gonna concentrate because I really don't know if this is gonna turn out like I have it pictured in my mind. But hopefully it does. And I'm using Amsterdam titanium white for my SHMEAR color. All right, I think I'm good. I had to break some of this off because this was a little too fat, but then now that I look at it, this is more too thin, but that's okay. It's fine. Kind of a fiery heart, but in pretty colors. So I'm gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up here. But look, I think it looks like two kissing dragons. Two fiery dragons that are in love. Just look at the pretty lacing and cells. It's something fun, different. Something I don't normally do. But I do have the link in the description for the other two ladies. I do appreciate you girls for including me in this collaboration. It was a lot of fun. Please go and check them out. They're amazing artists. Yep. But, yep, links in the description will take you right to their channels. And I do thank everybody for joining me today. All my art is for purchase. You can email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. And I will have the paints, the colors, the brand all listed in the description. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex gloss pouring medium, Floetrol, and a little bit of water. And yeah. But I hope everybody has a happy Valentine's Day. And just gotta love yourself. That's what's important. If you don't have a significant other to show you love. But I do thank you guys for watching. Hope everybody, yeah, is healthy and safe. And have a good day and have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.